Hi guys, here we are. We're going to do the walk from the Courtyard by Marriott Gatwick South down to the South Terminal. It should take no more than 10 to 12 minutes, we've been told. So let's go and find out how to do it. You know from last night, if we go off to the right there and cross over that road, it takes you round to KFC and to McDonald's and to the BP garage. You can see the sign there. Just for a point of reference, that's the road entrance into the South Terminal over there. There's another sign for the walking route. Here on the left you've got the Grid Serve. It's a EV charging station. You've also got a Costa Coffee and a little fresh goods to go, so sandwiches, stuff like that. There's also the road entrance into the long stay car park. We've got Tesla chargers over there and chargers for other cars as well. The Hilton Hotel over there, which has got a covered walkway into the terminal. You can also follow that path there round to KFC and McDonald's if you want to go that route. One thing to note, there are no zebra crossings or lights across over this road. We found out last night it can take quite a while to get a gap to get over. And then again, once you get to the other side, you've got to get over the exit road from the South Terminal as well. Here we are at the South Terminal. Just over there is the train station. We're going to get the lift up to the terminal now. And we'll see you when we get upstairs. Here we are at the lift. We're now this way for the departures. So that is the walk from Courtyard by Marriott to South Terminal departures. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all soon.